바빠 이 설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는
At the pool.
천천히 그만하지만
Eat it.
너랑
And
차이가
then we go
있어
outside.
baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 동선을 타고 난 날아올라
Sitting
동선을 타고 난
barbecue grill.
날아올라
Backlit. There's a tree. He's got some basketball. Why not? Plant is until there. Wow. I'm going back now. It's nice. Oh, it matches. Oh, it looks so red. Food waste bin. Wait, I didn't go up yet. Alright. Before upstairs, here's our toilets. My stuff. Shower's right behind me. It's open. This is where my brother's sleeping. It's yellow. Where I should be sleeping. I'm going up. I'm upstairs. This is where I'm sleeping with my sister. I woke up with this view of the ocean. Crazy. But yeah, it's just crazy. Like, seems nice to live here, you know. And the weather's great, so I can't complain. So
I punched it.
I already forgot what's good morning in Korean, so I'm gonna have to learn that again. It says Green Resort Hotel, but it's saebil. Saebil Cafe. Saebil. OMG. I already forgot. Oh. No. OMG. OMG. Whoa, this view is crazy. Genuine reaction. That's their tissue, like, stopper. The rocks. So cute. This cafe is so cute. Love wins all. Love wins. Whoa, alpacas! They're running! Look at them! Hi, Pots.
Hi, friends.
Hi, Franz.
Hi, viewers.
Ayu is
Oh, you
following
mixed
me
it.
here.
Whoa, IU is everywhere.
Sa phone.
Kuya said
And a shame.
Oh, ganun pala siya.
For sharing.
Ito, baby na to eh. Sa akin.
Look at that. Pricey. Saebil signature latte. Maestro.
Ayan ba yung signature?
Oh. Sabi niya green tea, coffee.
Also.
Condensed? Milk yata yun eh.
Wow. Wow,
Condensed milk baguette.
it's yum.
Nakikita ko sa YouTube.
Ay, YouTube.
Nagkakaka ako. Yung pake ng labas pero yung loob. Ang
Maganda.
ganda ng design. Pero lumang siguro to, lumang hotel.
Wow. Sarap.
Condensed milk croissant.
Nung lumabas tayo, di siya lumabas, diba?
Si Soninim.
Hindi nagsasalita yung asawa niya.
Baka lang siya. May form.
Reviews.
Taste mo. Wala ako siguro na kung condensed.
Sige, baka wet towel to, oh.
Thank you.
Hindi mo talaga
Hindi ko
nakuha.
nakuha na sa loob.
Puro condensed milk. Ito din condensed milk.
Condensed or whipped cream?
Both. Both.
Hindi ako mahilig sa may cream na pinatay.
Bilan niya.
What is that? Ciabatta?
Maganda yung pagkagawa ng bilan niya.
Ham and cheese?
I think so.
Parang 1 hour lang kami sa Nami Island, eh.
Hot Americano.
Wala yung hiri.
Oh! Sarap to. Sarap yung kape.
Naglalakad.
There's a fruit taste.
Hindi ako binibila. Asang kape.
Ay, yung taga-review dito.
Ano ba yan?
Oo.
Wala.
I'm in Jeju Island. I am filming scene here.
Oh, with who?
Hindi nga.
Waiting for my leading actress, Lee Ji-yoon.
Wow. Junta.
What's the name of your new series?
When life gives you halabong.
Durian. And there's so many bite
That's
marks.
the condensed milk croissant.
Pero
The inside is like that. Ipada.
May ibang daanan sa falls pero malaki yung ikot.
Siguro. Chunjin, Yun,
Otherwise,
Popo. You are here. We're already there. Anyway, second waterfall na. Because the first one is not raining, so there's no water. Now I can point like this.
Is it on? Picture tayo.
Hey! So many people. Okay, see ya. Yan.
isipin mo dati,
What?
may taga-light ng candle.
Oh, this is it? I didn't even realize that.
Ngayon, electric na.
Ice cream. Kukuha kami. What do you want? Ah, cute. Kaya translate na lang. Ito lang alam ko halabong.
Ito chongle. Ano yun?
Ito.
Ito chongyeya. Wala.
Well, let me try.
Ito golden kiwi. Ito halabong.
I'm gonna get the green tangerine. I'm gonna get copyright by Ayu's following. Follow niya talaga si Papa, no? Wait, how am I gonna try this ice cream? I'm gonna get copyright. Ayu, please don't copyright me. Green tangerine. Ano niya?
Gusto niya ice cream.
Lasang kalmansi. Sarap. Alright. Oh. Hey! Super zoom! Okay. Told them black pork. Oh, daming famous people na hindi ko alam. Oh! Oh! Nakita nyo na yan? Nakita nyo na yan?
So, apat na dito.
Legit tayo dito. The charcoal is burning. Ah, takip lang pala yun. Ah. May ano pa oh, may marka pa. Oo, iwan niya lang. This is what I told for. Yung mga katabi ko, ang daming sinasabi. Sorry, vlog. Nag-order na siya. Corn goose and kimchi jjigae. Now I'll try the meat.
So, walang rice. So,
Something.
Just something?
I need to order one more before you order one.
Kimchi ah.
Ito. Ito is
Lift. Perilla lift.
Mainit.
Di na. Mag-order ba kayo ng drinks? Para sabay ko na.
Hindi pwede siya siyempre. Driving cannot.
Isn't there something called like, I ate well in Korean when you're done? Well, we ate well, so see ya. What is that? Yes, get that exercise. No pain. No pain, no gain. Tama. Okay. Hey, you're covering the osulloc name. This one is fresh green tea. Oh. Sarap. Parang masarap mo. The roasted green tea. Wow, parang matcha. Ayun isa. So, tangerine blend. May amoy tangerine. I softly try. Tangerine blended tea. The damage has, I don't know what's the word. The damage has,
It's been done.
yun. Alright guys, bilingual. Now we're gonna get drinks. And it's too loud here, so. Wow, look at all that matcha. OMG. That is so cool. Oh my god, look at all the green color, man. Crazy. Matcha latte. Oh, it looks so green. Matcha latte with oat milk. Matamis pa rin. With
Mine
green tea.
is camellia flower bloom tea.
The orange one.
The green one is wedding green tea.
Tapos may timer. Tapos na oh.
Gusto nga.
Ah, okay.
Para na sa bahay.
Matcha tangerine, I want something fizz. Oh, sarap. Malamig, mas mainit, no?
Camellia flower bloom tea.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, masarap. Matcha lemonade. Ito yung matcha lemonade. Ooh. Yum. Look at this. Okay, next. Ang daming titaste, no? Matcha. Tiramisu. Green tea tiramisu. Ang ice na sa baba. Light lang. Ice. Sarap. Strawberry matcha shortcake. Sarap. We were too late. It's like 6 now, and I think Innisfree is closed. So.
Ano ba yan?
OTD. Okay, go na.
We'll see you at the supermarket.
Shoo! We are gonna have barbecue on our last day at the Airbnb, and we are buying meats. So, we are at Hanaro Mart.
May chicken ka pa, di ba?
Sila na dun. I want kimchi.
Ice cream. Diyos sa'yo. Kimchi. Kimchi ko wala.
TV ko lang. What's the best kimchi? Alright, I'll see you later from home, maybe.
Or soju, don't forget.
Oh, soju. That's where we're going. Gotta put stuff in the fridge. So, good call. Oh, that's like strawberries. Planning to make somek. It doesn't fit. Wait, this is alcohol.
Lug na yata eh.
Jojo.
Walang white eh.
Kimchi. Sprite. Ano pang kailangan dito? Some. And some. People, what? Oh. Chicken. Beef ata. Does it fit? Place na ganito, kuya.
Izakaya. Japanese.
Isn't that
It's Japanese.
Well, the food is Japanese, so I guess. Like, is it famous there to have this kind of?
Nag-vlog ka ba?
Yeah.
It's like this chat. Mali chat.
Hey, chat.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Businessmen in Japan like to drink after work, and they drink more than they eat. So it's like a pub that also serves food.
That's why the set is like soju and beer. So it's more more drinking than food.
Yeah, but we're actually here to eat, not
Tapos
drink.
tayo walang Tetong.
This is for Allison's vlog. What are we eating?
Pero may chicken pa na.
Chicken udon.
No.
Order sa kanya, order tayo sa atin.
It's tudon.
Ba't naging two?
Order ka na
Dalawa
siya
eh.
pang gyoza.
But one is one. Uno don.
Yan lang
Hindi
sa'yo.
dapat dos don.
Just don.
Just don't. Ay, it's wag.
Mukha
Oh, I
naman
should try the udon in the soup.
Meron siyang day na ayaw.
Lapit sa Facebook.
Yun na yun eh. Oh, nag-change pala.
Mama doesn't want it.
Can you show to the vlog?
I already mixed it though.
It's fine.
Hi, vlog.
Jojo Momo.
Siya kaya si Jojo.
Sakto ah.
It's spicy.
Meron nga chicken.
Yun sa'yo?
Kasi ano, parang siyang,
I wanna try.
I think may halong egg.
Egg ba ito?
Sarap naman ah.
He's
Kaya
the
mo?
baby octopus.
Yeah. Kaya mo?
Yung makayali.
Sige.
Parang nakakaawa siya kayo lang.
Don't look. Oh.
Baby pa.
Sinabi na din ni Papa.
Alin?
Parang nakakaawa kayo nun.
Kasi nga baby eh.
Baby.
Don't look. Oh,
Man,
no one saw that.
he or she.
Mando.
Meron ka.
Gaga.
화장실이 한국분이어서 관람로 가시기 전이나
Tayo yung nasa theme park ng Disneyland. May music.
Space Mountain. I think we're gonna follow the moon. Oh. Whoa! Guys, lalakad at Luna Fall Team Lab Outdoor, no? Digital theme park. And si Miss Moon nandyan. Oh. May bagong labugo. Closing the gates. Oh no.
It's supposed to be foggy inside.
Guys, experience it with me. Experience design.
Airbender!
Nice. Wala.
Nahula!
Hindi, kailangan sa effect ko. Wait, that's kind of cool. Wow! I see the moon! Groove! I found the moon! Come steal the moon, groove! Wait, I didn't see the story. I probably put it somewhere.
Sabi daw ano, nag-dream na maging heavier and heavier. And then eventually she dropped into jeju.
So it's like grew pero baliktad. He wanted to shrink the moon so he can put it in his pocket.